Hello YouTube, hello guys, good morning, good afternoon in fact. Today is 31st July, 31st July 2021, Saturday, weekend. And today, on special day basically, my mother-in-law, you know that she's with us at Hyderabad now. She's staying with us, and as well as father is also staying, but my mother-in-law is also staying. She's come from Kolkata with us, and she's staying here for some time, at least 3-4 months next. We'll see. Before the Puja she might go, but as of now she's with us. And today's her birthday, so it's her 62nd birthday. She worked in Union Bank of India. She was working with Union Bank of India for till her 60 age. She retired 2 years back, and today is her 62nd birthday. Already 2 years she has retired. 2 साल हो चुका है रिटायर हुए. टुडे आज उनका बर्थडे है और हम लोग केक कटिंग करेंगे शाम को. ऑल्सो हमने कुछ स्पेशल डिशेज बनाई हैं. बेसिकली हमने आज स्पेशल चिकन करी बनाई है मेरी वाइफ ने. स्पेशल चिकन करी एंड वेज पुलाव, येलो कलर्ड वेज पुलाव बनाया है. और साथ में हम कुछ ड्रिंक्स भी लेंगे बेसिकली. मी एंड माई डैड, विच शी डजंट नो. बेसिकली उनको नहीं पता है वो बात, क्योंकि वो शी हैड ड्रिंक्स एंड ऑल ऑब्वियसली. मी एंड माई फादर विल हैव सम ड्रिंक्स इन द नाइट. आई ब्रॉट वन ऑफ एप्पल फ्लेवर and one blended Sprite normal flavor. So that I'll show you. Basically I'll show you celebrations also, cake cutting and all. Will after this I'll show you the dishes also we have made, the chicken curry and the special chicken curry and the basically the pulao, yellow curd pulao, veg pulao. Also after this we'll show you cake cutting in the evening, as well as I'll show you some drinks in the evening when me and my father have a little of them. But this my mother-in-law is not aware of the drinking thing. Anyway, we'll show you at least in YouTube. Okay, see you after some time. Hello guys, so this is the yakni pulao. It is not a veg pulao basically. I thought it is a veg pulao. मैं सोच रहा था वेज पुलाव है, बट ये यखनी पुलाव बनाया उन्होंने, मेरी वाइफ ने. ये है यखनी पुलाव. यू कैन सी दैट येलो राइस एंड ड्राई फ्रूट्स, अ लॉट ऑफ ड्राई फ्रूट्स. यखनी पुलाव बोलते हैं इसको बेसिकली. कश्मीर साइड और आई थिंक पाकिस्तान की साइड बनता है, थोड़ा इस्लामिक. दिस इज़ यखनी पुलाव, येलो कलर राइस. दिस यखनी पुलाव, यमी यखनी पुलाव, जिसको हम इन्जॉय करेंगे आज. Today is my mother's birthday. We'll celebrate on weekend her birthday. This is the lunch basically, and we'll have some cake cutting as well as drinks in the evening. And this is the chicken curry, special chicken curry basically. Look at the color complexion. This my wife has made. बहुत बढ़िया बनाया है उन्होंने. देख के ही लग रहा है कि ये कलर इसका ही बहुत मस्त है. So this is the basically the chicken curry, special chicken curry she has made, and this is the yakhni pulao विद ड्राई फ्रूट्स. तो दिस इज द येलो कलर यखनी पुलाव विद ड्राई फ्रूट्स आज बनाया इन्होंने, और ये चिकन करी बनाई है इन्होंने. सो हम ये दोनों आज रिलीज करेंगे अभी लंच में. एंड देन इन द इवनिंग वील हैव केक कटिंग. 62nd बर्थडे ऑफ माई मदर इन लॉ. एक सिंपल सा केक कटिंग, एक लो की अफेयर है बेसिकली. घर पे ही कर रहे हैं. ऑब्वियसली कोविड के टाइम में कोई बाहर जाके कोई बहुत लंच डिनर करने का सीन थोड़ा कम ही है. तो ठीक है, मैं आपको अभी प्रेजेंट करता हूँ. देख लीजिए आप, ये चिकन करी, मस्त चिकन करी लग रही है एकदम. कलर अल्टीमेट है इसका. और ये यखनी पुलाव विद ड्राई फ्रूट्स, येलो कलर राइस. ओके, तो गाइस मैंने आपको दिखाया अभी हम लोग क्या खाने वाले हैं बेसिकली आज स्पेशल डे पे, माय मदर इन लॉज बर्थडे. सो चिकन करी और यखनी पुलाव हम खाते हैं बेसिकली. और शाम को हम लोग केक कटिंग करेंगे विद 62 कैंडल्स ऑफ 6 and 2 नंबर. वो जला के बेसिकली हम केक कटिंग करवाएंगे मदर इन लॉ से. My son will also accompany. He is very excited for her grandma's 62nd birthday. और उसके बाद हम लोग मैं डैड थोड़ा ड्रिंक्स लेंगे बेसिकली. आई शो द ड्रिंक्स ऑल्सो बेसिकली. वी हैव ब्रॉट दिस Smirnoff apple flavor and blended Sprite normal, black वाला. Okay. So guys, these are 2 bottles basically we have bought today. One blended Sprite black normal, not the premium one, the other one, and not the reserve. And this is the Smirnoff apple flavor, green apple. These 2 bottles will release in the evening today. My father is basically he relishes whiskey more than vodka, and me like vodka basically. So these 2 bottles we are going to enjoy in the evening. Let's see. हम केक कटिंग की बात करेंगे. My mother is not aware, she doesn't know. तो वो उनको पता नहीं है, तो हमें थोड़ा सा ये प्राइवेट में करना पड़ेगा, एक रूम में बंद करके. Me and my dad will have, but anyway before that we'll have cake cutting, that I'll show you. And while eating I won't be able to make video, so I've already showed the dishes, so that's fine for today. And after this I'll show you the celebration evening celebration of cake cutting and all, and snacks, a little snacks. After that I'll show the drinks basically when we release it, me and my dad. I'll have Smirnoff green apple flavor. My dad will have blended Sprite. Okay, see you. So guys, today we are celebrating our mother-in-law's birthday, 62nd birthday. So she's now cutting the cake. अभी वो केक काटेंगी, उसके बाद हम लोग enjoy करेंगे. My father is standing here, my mother, my wife, mother-in-law, son, and me here. Hi. Okay, now we are cutting the cake. Okay. Blow the candles. 62nd birthday. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Didi. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Pupu, Pupu खाओ. दीदी खाओ बे. Pupu, दीदी खाओ बे. खा. खा दीदी खाओ बे. खा खा खा. Good boy, good boy. But oh, he is asking for his plate. अभी वो अपनी प्लेट में मांग रहा है. अपनी पेप्पा पिग प्लेट में वो मांग रहा है केक. He is asking for the cake piece in his Peppa Pig plate. Peppa Pig quarter plate. Pupu say hi. Hi. Today is my. बोलो today is my grandma's birthday. Hurrah. Yes. Okay. Now cutting the cake. Eating the cake. Okay. We'll see you in connect. Okay. मीठा करना था. I also ate the cake. Who's the cake?
आपका प्लेट लिया.
Birthday, happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
So this is the birthday celebration I showed you, basically cake cutting and all. We'll have some drinks. Me and my dad will have some drinks later, and that's one of green apple as well as blended Sprite that I'll share with sometime. Okay. So guys, this is the arrangement basically. We are having blended Sprite. My father is having blended Sprite, kidney soda, blended Sprite, and bhujia, Haldiram's bhujia. So this is the arrangement for him. He's having it. I'll have in some time the one of green apple vodka, and we'll enjoy that. Okay, so our day ends with drinks. My father is having blended Sprite, normal, and I'll have one of green apple. See you. So guys, this is basically our arrangement. This is the thumbs up, ice cubes, and then 2 drinks with one of bottle. Just one of green apple bottle. We go to have. This is thumbs up. I'll just have thumbs up. These are ice cubes going into it, and these are the pegs. So basically, this is my arrangement today for today's drinks. A Smirnoff and thumbs up has gone already into the peg, and I'm going to have it now. Okay, so the day ends with our drinks. Today's mother-in-law birthday celebration. Day ends with our drinks. My Smirnoff, my thumbs up, and my drinks with ice cubes. Okay, so this is the video for today. Enjoy the video and like and share and subscribe. Like and to watch and like and share the video and subscribe to the channel if you're new to the channel, first time here. Be a part of my family, and in this way we'll go forward and enjoy in this family. Okay, see you. Thanks for today. Thanks. Bye.